Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with a Royal Mariner portable typewriter in a great blue color. It's got the case here, it's just a lid that snaps on top. The keys, some of them are a little yellowed, discolored, but overall good shape. It works great. Control wise, there's nothing too complex. There's margin release to type outside of the set margins and a backspace. This is the touch control to make the keys a little heavier or lighter resistance wise. Obviously back here you've got the carriage release, is this right here. This is your paper release. These are your margin controls. You just press down on that and you can slide them. And then this lever over here is both the spacing adjuster and also the carriage lock. You can see it can do single, 1.5, or double spacing. If you put it down on the 0, it disengages the line retainer for custom spacing. And if you put it up on this dot here, you'll see that's the carriage lock. Then when you slide this over, it'll stop right in the middle to get it centered to put the lid on properly. Otherwise, we'll just pop open. The lid just has these two little pegs like this, and one on that side, and they just go right in these little rubber holes there. This one's a little cracked, but still seems to hold the lid on fairly well. You can see it looks like this was probably a newer ribbon, but these might be the original spools. They're plastic. They might be replacements, but the ribbon that's on it is currently working. Here's a little typing sample. The typewriter is listed on eBay. You can find the link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks.